Good morning, guys. Hey, I decided to do my video on my back porch today because it's 55 degrees and beautiful, but the sun is in my eyes, so if I'm squinting, that's why. I just wanted to go over chapter 1 so that we had an idea of the important parts, the key parts, and the things that you needed to include on your character chart. So I have some notes down here, that's what I'm looking at. So the key events in this chapter were that Sumiko got the party invitation. She was really surprised about this. She was really happy about it. It doesn't seem like something that happens a lot for her because she was so excited about it. She lives in a town with mostly white people. So a lot of times when we think about race, we think about the division between African Americans and white or Caucasian people. But in history, there's often division between lots of different groups of races. So this is an example of a different kind. And we notice that Sumiko's growing up. She gets the blanket instead of the mirror in her bedroom like she wants. And we can kind of see that that's for privacy. We know, you guys know, you're in 6th grade. If you share a room with a smaller sibling, you want your own space. So they kind of figured the same for Sumiko. The family lives on a flower farm. The picture of the carnation was there on the video for you, just in case you didn't know what a carnation flower was. That's what they grow, that's what they sell. And she felt like she needed to be useful after her parents died and she was sent to her aunt and uncle. She felt like she needed to make sure that they weren't going to send her away. So she scrubbed the floors, she decided she was going to help out, but her uncle really trusted her and gave her a really good job of sorting the flowers for the flower market. And we know that she's a hard worker from this. She has to take care of the bath, she does the rice for night for dinner, and she grades the flowers. So let's look at the characters and what we need to put into our chart. So here's my chart right here that I'm looking at. So in case you didn't get a chance to work on yours, that's kind of what it looks like. There's a box for each person. So Sumiko is the protagonist. She's our main character. Her parents have died. And she values her family and wants to be included. We don't know much about Auntie yet. Uncle owns the flower farm and takes care of his family. Tak Tak is Sumiko's younger brother. Bull and Ichiro are the cousins. And Jashawn is the grandpa, and we kind of see that he's wise and funny because he likes to talk to her through the outhouse door, and he is worried about her going to the party. He wants to make sure she's going to be okay while she's there. So that's kind of chapter 1. Let's go ahead and read chapter 2.